see here. Expend. Absorb. ABSORBED. Well, you will get used to it. Don't worry about that. Yes. I think it's now we have now I have 4 chapters. Okay, from what you came in late, so that's the penalty. You go ask your friend. I already show it. Okay. So here the point is power absorb. Okay, so if you have the element that transfer the energy, okay, or serve the give the energy to somebody else, that one will be minus sign. When the power is absorbed by some element, that will be a plus sign. Okay, this will be the opposite way. Okay, when you have plus, okay, when you the P, when you have plus, okay, this means absorb power. When you have minus, now you transmit the power. It transmitted power or generate the power. Okay. So normally when you, for the battery, and then you have a light bulb. This one, for example, you have the light bulb 100 watt. This will be the unit of the power. We never call minus 100 watt because the light bulb always absorbs the energy. But this one generates the energy minus 100 watt. This one receives the energy. This one is the one who transmits the energy. So the one absorbed is plus sign. The one that transmits the energy is minus sign. This one generates minus 100 watt. This one absorbs 100 watt. So and now it's a definition. The P, we use P is P is power. So it's the rate of the energy. So it will be dW by dt. So from dW by dt, if I change it to dW by dq multiplied by dq by dt, so this will be the energy in joule, and this is per second. So the power actually is joule per second. Joule per second. So now I change it to dW by dq multiplied by dq by dt. So what is this value? This is the energy that we move some charge, right, which is equal to the voltage. And this one is I. So the power is equal to V multiplied by I. P is equal to IV. So this is what? You know the energy, you already know the energy, you know the power. So, well, now, as I mentioned, so when you have Okay, so the one that is the element okay, the element that absorbs the energy is, you will call this one the passive element. Okay, so on the other hand, okay, it is called the active element. So in this case, what does it mean? It means that the active element is the one who transmits the power, okay, or transmit the energy. Okay. Actually, you can just energy or power. It can be either way. Okay, now if we come back to look at the picture, okay, here, come back to look at the battery again. Okay, you have the battery, you have here the light bulb, and normally you said battery, this is a plus side, right? This is minus side, okay? And then you said the current go this way, I, okay? So when it go to the light bulb, what is the polarity of the voltage across the light bulb? It will be plus here, minus here, right? Okay, so this one absorbs the power, okay? So I said this one is 100 watt. So in this case, V is, the direction of V is this way, right? And V and I in the same direction generate the plus power. And for this one, V and I on the opposite direction. Okay? Okay? So be careful. This one is active element, transmit the power. This one is passive. Okay? So the passive element, the voltage and current have the same direction. Okay? But the active element, the voltage and current have an opposite direction. Okay? Be careful. Okay. This is the current go this way, high. Okay, and how about this one? This is go this way, and then the current go the other way around. Okay, so you can say Vi is greater than 0. This one will be the passive. Okay. Well, you know this part before, and V and I is greater than 0. It will be the active. Okay, be careful in this class. You have to consider two things: direction and the quantity go together. Okay, be careful. V and I, we have the direction, we have the value, I is also, okay? But from high school, maybe you just assume that you just skip the direction. You don't really concern with the direction at all. You just memorize the direction, okay? So let's see some example here. See this example, but maybe, let's see. Okay, this is a power conservation theorem that I talk about. Okay, so the power didn't go anywhere. The power absorbed is equal to the power transmit. Okay, so the other way around, it will be the sum of the power absorbed by the element. It will be equal to 0. Okay, let's see this example. Okay, for example, like this example. So which one absorb the energy? Which one is transmit the energy?